Hi, year five. So we are on lesson 2 of our journey through Lent. So I would like you to start this lesson by watching this video here. So if you could go on this link and then join me again, that would be brilliant. See you in a little bit. Bye. All right, so you should be back. Hopefully you had a bit of a laugh at the video. I hope that you can hear me properly with my arrangement here. Okay, so what happened in the video? Yes, both the little toddler and the doggo and the little dog were tempted. Yes, we all feel tempted sometimes, but what does it mean to be tempted? Okay, when are we tempted? Okay, what is that somehow make us feel like we cannot resist it? Is it a little treat? Is it plain? Is it doing something a little bit naughty sometimes? Maybe, hopefully not. I'm sure that's not the case with you guys because you're amazing kiddos. But sometimes there are these feelings inside of us that make us think like, oh, why not? And that didn't just happen to us, that also happened to Jesus. But how did Jesus respond to that? So I have included here 3 Bible passages that you should have a look at. I have also included the passages here, so it's a bit easier for you to go and read them, hopefully, and potentially print them out. This is why they are white instead of purple. Otherwise, you can obviously use your Bible. I hope you can remember how we search in the Bible. So you will find the gospel, let's say at the end and the final part of the Bible, because we are talking about the New Testament. And obviously we are going to, in order, you will have here Matthew, Mark, and Luke. And you will find the big number first, and then the little numbers are actually the lines somehow, or sort of like little paragraph verses rather, that you need to follow. So if you can't remember, you might maybe watch one of the old videos, but otherwise it should be quite straightforward. We have used the Bible several times. Otherwise, as I said, you can find it here. Okay, now your task is to actually read these passages and find out which one are the differences and which one are the similarities. So what you should really focus on is the way Jesus actually responds to the temptation or different temptations. Now, because I understand that obviously the Bible readings are not the easiest kind of readings for children, I have also included a video here that you can watch, and that should help you to understand what's going on. And then obviously it might be a bit more accessible for you to answer the question. So as I said, after you have maybe watched the video, read the Bible, the different Bible passages, please fill in this template. I know it's not very clear here, sorry. You have the Word file attached to the tapestry, yep, to tapestry. So to the tapestry post. And here you will have obviously the 3 different Bible passages, and the little boxes are showing is where you should have to write what are the temptations, what are Satan's words, what are Jesus's words. You will find that in Luke there are many words, but I'm sure you can use the actions. In fact, for this reason I have included as well Jesus' actions and Satan actions. So you have a good overview of the 3 different Bible passages there. After that, I would like, for you to take a moment to think about the following question. Okay, you don't need to write anything in your book, but just think about Jesus' relationship with his Father helped him to resist and overcome temptation. But what are the modern temptations we face? So if you think about that, for a moment, you will be able to then go into our dive deeper task, okay, our challenge. I would like you to modernize the 3 temptations for the 21st century. 21st century is is now basically the time that we're living in at the moment. So what kind of temptation would they be? What would have tempted Jesus nowadays? What will tempt you? That will probably help you to answer this question. For this question here, for the challenge, I don't have a template for you, so you can just jot it down in your book in a nice paragraph. You don't have to write too much, probably even a couple, maybe. Because obviously the temptations are 3, so I'm not expecting 1 paragraph per temptation, but again, maybe not 2 lines. Okay, ideally you can make some links to the Bible, or to the Bible verses that we have included, or if you think about any other parable that you would like to include that somehow links to the temptation and how Jesus actually dealt with things, that will be brilliant. The more we show that we can be flexible in our understanding of the Bible and Jesus' teaching, the better it is for us to actually really feel Jesus' teaching to guide our life. So I hope this is clear. So to recap, you're going to maybe watch the video first, then read the Bible passages, then fill in these template that you will find on the tapestry post. And then after thinking about this question here, you can attempt the dive deeper task. There is an extra slide there where there is a little bit of extra support if somehow you're still struggling. So if you think that you need the extra support, can you please jot that down? If you think that you need the extra support, feel free to use it, but jot down on your book, maybe a little G or like a little note, I needed the extra support because I found this a bit tricky. It's not a problem, it's just for us to understand where we can help you a bit more in our videos. Okay, please send us a message if you need any more information about this, and see you next time. Bye bye.